Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to draw Shin-Chan Nohara from Crayon Shin-Chan. I have already drawn a pencil sketch. We are going to outline it with a sketch pen. First draw a circle for his eyes. Just like that. And for the highlights, draw a smaller circle inside. We will color that later. Okay. Now let's color the outer circle like this. Okay, now let's draw his eyebrows. It's not eyebrows, a line just like this. Start from here and like that. It's not eyebrows, it's just a line here. Now let's draw the real eyebrows. So the first step is to draw like a line like this and a line like this. Then curve the ends and go up in the center. Let's color it in. Okay, now the next eyebrow. Curve the edges, then go up. Then color it in. Now you have to draw a line here and a line under it. This is his hair. Let's color that in. Now let's draw his face. Draw a line like this. This line should be between the eyes. Oh, there's a line. No problem, I will fix that. Okay, now draw a curve like this. This is his cheeks. Then stop there and let's draw his mouth. So we draw an oval. Okay. Now we have to draw his hand. Okay, so we should go like this. Now let's draw his remaining hair. Let's draw a line, a curvy line here, and another curvy line right here. And draw another line here and color that in. Now let's draw his ear. It's a curve right here. Now let's draw his hand. Draw a line, a straight line here, and another line here. We are drawing his thumb. Now curve it and go here, like that. It's his thumb. Now let's draw his index finger. Just like that. And his middle finger. And now we will draw the other fingers. We'll draw a circle just like that, and a smaller one here, and we will draw a line here. Now we will draw a line here. Now let's draw the other hand. Draw a line here, and let's draw his thumb. Okay, now let's draw his other fingers. Okay, now let's draw his body. First, draw a line, a curved line here, and a curved line here, just like that. Now we have to draw the shirt and the shorts. Draw a line, just like this. Draw a line like this, and stop there, and draw a line like this. Now draw another line near his hand, just like that. Now here, draw another curved line. Draw a shape like this here, in the middle of these lines, and draw a line like this. Now we have to draw his legs. Draw two lines here, and we have to draw his socks now, just like that. Now let's draw the shoe. Draw a line, a curved line like this, and draw a line like this. Then draw a straight line like this. Let's draw the other leg. Okay, so Shin-Chan is ready. Now we have to color it. I'm going to use pencil colors. Okay, our Shin-Chan is ready. Hope you liked this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Chirpy Girl. Bye.